What separates great pop-up drink stands selling boba from average ones? Great stands consistently serve fresh, balanced drinks quickly while making every customer feel confident about what they are buying. The biggest difference is consistency, because customers should receive nearly the same flavor every time. Great sellers brew tea carefully instead of using tea that is weak, bitter, or left sitting too long. They measure milk, sweetener, ice, and flavoring so one drink does not taste completely different from the next. Tapioca pearls should be soft and chewy, but not hard in the center or mushy, and they are usually best within a few hours of cooking. A lesser-known detail is that cold pearls can become firm because their starch changes as they cool, so keeping them warm in syrup helps protect their texture. The menu should be small enough for quick service, with clear choices for sweetness, ice, milk, and toppings. Before opening, taste every tea base and prepare a simple recipe card so anyone working the stand can repeat the same drink. Clean equipment, sealed ingredients, visible prices, and a short waiting time also matter because customers judge safety and quality before taking the first sip. A common mistake is offering too many flavors, which slows the line and makes inventory harder to control. So begin with a focused menu and add items only after demand is clear. Another mistake is cooking a large batch of pearls too early, so prepare smaller batches and discard pearls when their texture changes. Some sellers also make drinks overly sweet to hide weak tea, but stronger tea, balanced sweetness, and proper dilution create a better flavor, so taste the finished drink before serving it. Finally, never assume customers understand unfamiliar toppings, so describe them in plain words and clearly mark dairy, caffeine, and common allergens. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.